วัสดีค่ะ
Hi guys, it's time for another hotel review. This time I'm reviewing the Blackwoods Hotel, which is located on Soi 7 in Pattaya. Okay, this is a fairly newish hotel. It's about 3.5, 4 years old. I have stayed here before. You can see the reception. It's a very nice layout, very modern and very clean. We'll take a look at the room that I've booked, that I'm staying in, and then I'll show you around some of the facilities and finally the buffet breakfast, which is included in the price. Now I paid 2,000 baht per night. I stayed here for 2 nights. That's the price. It's low season. It will go up in high season. I have seen it advertised on Agoda for around 3,500 in high season. It might even be a little bit more. But as I say, it is a very nice hotel, very modern, very clean, and the facilities are great. And I think this is one of the nicer hotels that I've stayed in Pattaya for the price range. I like the layout of this room. You've got a bathtub there and a nice powerful shower, and it is very powerful. The sink is located outside of the bathroom. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's a space saving thing. Plenty of room there to hang your clothes, and all these items that you see in front of you, they're all complimentary. But what's a little bit different about this hotel is the snacks and the soft drinks that you see in front of you, they actually come included in the price of the room, so they don't bill you extra for them. The usual safe there, in-house safe, in-room safe I should say. Fridge, nothing in the fridge, but it's handy. You can go and get your beers and your snacks and everything, and good to have the fridge. This has got to be one of the most comfortable beds I've ever stayed in a hotel. Very soft, very nice. I had 2 very good night's sleep. Now you might be put off because the hotel is on Soi 7, which is a very noisy Soi. At night time there's a lot of loud music. I was pleasantly surprised in this hotel because I stayed in another one close by and it was very loud. They put me at the front of the hotel, but they seem to have put in some good thick glass in this hotel, and you can hear it, but it's very minimal. I could sleep through it. It wasn't an issue, and I was actually in a room at the front of the hotel once again. If you look at the bathroom, that might seem a little bit strange. There's a clear glass, so if somebody's in there using the shower or the tub, then you can actually see them. But again, don't let this put you off, because there is a blind. You can just manually pull down the blind and it totally covers that glass for privacy. So you see the room is a nice layout, very clean, nice and big, and I would recommend this hotel, no hesitations at all. Let's go and have a look at some of the other facilities. Okay, so there's a sauna here. It wasn't on. I would imagine it would take a good half an hour to heat up before you could use it. The small exercise room that they've got here, the aircon was on when I stepped in, so if somebody wanted to work out, they wouldn't have to hang around for the air. I didn't see anybody else in there. It is quite a small room, but there's enough there to have a workout. If you use the gym regular, then you're not going to be missing out on your exercise. Okay, let's take the elevator. We're going up to the 8th floor now, and as you can see, there's a nice pool area here. I have had a swim in this nice pool before, and in a minute I'll swing the camera around and you can see they've got a nice lounging area and a bar, and the views are pretty good. And because it's up fairly high, on this particular day the sun wasn't strong and there was a nice breeze coming in from the front there, nice and cool. A nice soft seating area there on your left and a bar. And if I just walk over to the wall here, just give you a quick panoramic view of the back of the hotel. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so let's take a look. So you've got the usual there, scrambled egg, boiled eggs, fried eggs. They can whip you up an omelette as well. All the sauces there, and some Thai options there, obviously some fried rice and other bits and pieces there. But I thought the buffet was pretty good. It seems to have improved a little bit from when I was there last time. I don't think they had any real bacon the last time. They have streaky bacon there, so that was quite nice. A selection of fruits. And obviously tea and coffee is on tap, as is water and a few juices. I find the orange juice in Thailand quite sweet. They seem to put a lot of sugar in it, so I don't normally touch the orange juice that they have. I was very early. I was there at about 8 o'clock, so I was the first one to actually come into the restaurant. Okay, so let me just drop in this map. I know a lot of people are familiar with this area, and you can see the hotel there quite clearly on Soi 7. But one of the reasons I've dropped in the map is when you wanted to go down and get some soft drinks or beer, you had to walk down to the beach road to the 7-Eleven there, or the other convenience shop. I can't remember which one it is, maybe a Family Mart. And Soi 7 is quite a long walk if you've had a long day, you know, to walk down there just to grab some beers and snacks. But as you can see, as indicated from the map, there is actually a new 7-Eleven on Soi 8, so you can cut through Soi Night Out there in between Soi 7 and Soi 8. And it's a very convenient 7-Eleven, very close to the hotel. Just saves you walking all the way down to the beach road. It's not a big deal, but it's nice to have the 7-Eleven quite close by. And I couldn't quite find it on the map. It's around that area where the arrow is. It might not be exact, but somewhere around there. Okay. So I hope this video has been informative. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and it's not a bad choice. If you're going to go to Pattaya and you're looking for somewhere to stay that isn't out of budget, you could try the Blackwoods Hotel, but be warned, it does sell out very, very fast. It's a very popular hotel, and a lot of the time you can't get a room anyway because it's full, so book nice and early. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.